Good day, class. Welcome to Learn Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at basic operations in squares and square root of numbers. Let's start with addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction in squares and square roots. Let's look at examples to guide us. Let's start with 1. 11 square plus 16 square. 11 square means 11 times 11, that is 121. 16 square means 16 times 16, that is 256. Let's add together. 1 plus 6, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 1 plus 2, 3. Alright, let's go to second question. 5 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2. 5 square means 25 minus 3 square means 9. 25 minus 9, that is 60. Right. Let's look at the third question. So that is square root of 25 minus 9. Under this, please be careful. When you have addition or subtraction inside the square root, solve everything inside the square root first before you find the square root to avoid error. Let's go. This will be 25 minus 9, square root of 16. So square root of 16 is 4. Please don't split them or separate them. If you separate them, you will not get the same answer. Let's check to see whether we'll get the same answer if you split. So this will be square root of 25 minus 9 will be root 25 if you split, minus root 9. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 9 is 3. We'll get 2, and this is wrong. This looks like sod. Alright, and we'll deal with sod later in future. Don't split if it is addition or subtraction. Let's look at question 4. Alright, this is square root of 20 plus 29. Solve everything inside the square root first. This will be 49. That is an important trick in solving this. And this will give you square root of 49 is 7. Let's check if you get the same answer if you split. This will be square root of 20 plus square root of 29. Square root of 20 will give you something like 4.5. Square root of 29 will give you something approximately 5.4. We are going to get 9.9, approximately 10. And this is wrong. Please, when it is addition and subtraction of square roots, please don't split to avoid error. Now let's look at question 5. Square root of 9 square plus square root of 36 square. This square root will cut this square. This square root will cut this square. You now have 9 plus 36. The answer is 45. You can also do it like this. 9 square, because square root means power of half, raised to power half, plus 36 square raised to power half, according to the rule of indices. So this will be, this will cut this 2, this will cut this. So this will be 9 raised to power 1 plus 36 raised to power 1, which is 9 plus 36, which is 45. So let's look at the last question under addition and subtraction. Square root of 13 square minus 12 square. Since you have subtraction, please don't separate or split. So this will be square root of 169 minus square root of 144. That is 25. So this is 5. Now let us look at multiplication and division in squares and square root. Let's look at examples to guide us. Let's look at these questions to understand multiplication and division in squares and square root. 1. 3 square times 2 square. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. This is 36. Second question. 5 square divided by 3 square is 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. So this is 25 over 9, right? This is an improper fraction. We change it to a mixed number. So this is 2 number 7 over 9. Let's look at the next question, number 3. That is square root of 49 times 81. Now listen here. Here you can split them because it is multiplication. So multiplication and division, you can split their square root. But in addition and subtraction, you cannot split their square root, because if you do, your answer will be very wrong. So this is square root of 49 times square root of 81. Square root of 49 is 7, and square root of 81 is 9. So this is 63, right? And you can do it directly. 49 times 81 is square root of 3969, and square root of 3969 is 63. Anyhow you want to do it, you are free to do it. Let's look at the next question, number 4. That is square root of 16 times 25 times 100. Since it is multiplication, you are free to split it as well. Square root of 16 times square root of 25 times square root of 100. So this will be square root of 16 is 4, that's what 25 is 5, and square root of 100 is 10. 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 10 equals 200. And you can choose to do it directly. Square root of 16 times 25 times 100. If you multiply everything, you get 40,000, right? And square root of 40,000 is still 200. So that is that. Let's look at question 5. Square root of 4 over 100 divided by square root of 16 over 25. Since it is division, you can split square root of 4 over square root of 100 divided by square root of 16 over square root of 25, right? Square root of 4 will give you 2. Square root of 100 will give you 10. Divided by square root of 16 will give you 4. Square root of 25 will give you 5. Then you interchange it. This will be 2 over 10 times 5 over 4, right? 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So you have 1 times 1 over 2 times 2. This is 1 over 4. And you can choose to do it directly. If you find this at once, you get this. If you find this at once, you get this. So there's no difference. Now let's look at the last question. 6, which is square root of 0, 0, 0, 4, 9, right? So the best thing to do is to convert this one to fraction. So the decimal point will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So other numbers after decimal point will be 0. This will give us square root of 0, 0, 0, 49 over 10,000, right? And we all know that 0 before our whole number is useless. So this will be 49 over 10,000, right? 49 over 10,000. And you can split it. Square root of 49 over square root of 10,000. So then square root of 49 is 7, and square root of 10,000 is 100. So this is how to solve this. Let us look at mixed operations in squares and square root. Let's look at examples to guide us. Now let us look at these mixed operations questions in squares and square root to understand how to perform mixed operations in squares and square root. 1. We have 4 square plus 2 square minus 3 square. 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. This is 20 minus 9. This is 11. Right? The second question. We have 5 square times 2 square divided by 4 square. Right? 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. Alright? So this will be 25 times. Since we have only multiplication and division, they have the same trend, so we can work from here to here. So this is 25 times 400 divided by 16. This is 100 over 16. 4 here 25. 4 here 4. So this is 25 over 4. So this is an improper fraction. We change it to a mixed number. 4 in 25, 6. Remainder 1. So this is this whole number 1 over 4. Then let's go to the third question, where we have square root of 80 plus 30 minus 46. Since we have only addition and subtraction, we solve everything inside the square root first. So this will be square root of, since this is addition and subtraction and they have the same strength, only 2 of them in this question, we can solve from here to here. So this is 110 minus 46, and this is square root of 64, and square root of 64 is 8. Alright? Now let us look at the last question, which is square root of 49 times 81 divided by 9. Since you have multiplication and division, you can split to make it faster. 49 times square root of 81 divided by square root of 9. So we have square root of 49 times square root of 81 divided by square root of 9. And square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 81 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So since we have only multiplication and division operations, then since they have the same strength, you can start from here to here. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can watch our video under basic operations in mathematics to know the strength of each basic operation in mathematics. So 7 times 9, 63 divided by 3. So this is 63 over 3. 3 here, 2, 3 here, 1. So the answer is 21. So far so good. That is how to perform basic operations in squares and square roots in mathematics. Follow all these steps we have explained from the beginning, and you will not have any issue performing basic operations under squares and square roots of numbers. Thank you for watching and listening. Please help to like this video and other videos on our channel. Help to share this video and other videos on our channel. Please subscribe to this channel for immediate updates. And we would love to have feedback from you to know how well we are doing with you. And we also want your suggestion on how we can move forward on this channel and how we'll be able to serve you better in various or different mathematics questions. Please write your comment to us. See you next time.